Hello, I'm Dan Damon. Welcome to my back deck in Pinole, California, in the San Francisco Bay Area. I'm grateful to Spearfish United Methodist Church for the invitation to share some of my music in the Sounds from Home series. My grandfather, Charlie, homesteaded near Pierre, South Dakota, and became mayor of Newell around 1920. His winning platform was Trees for Newell. My dad, Bob, owned and operated Damon's Bike Shop in Rapid City for many years, and I became his right-hand man. Growing up, I attended the Evangelical Free Church in Rapid City. I went to Greenville College near St. Louis, Missouri, and returned to Rapid to teach music at Douglas High School for 2 years. I got my first gig the summer after my second year of teaching at the Shoot Roosters restaurant in Hill City. I moved to California at the end of the summer and eventually responded to the call to pastoral ministry. I put myself through seminary playing gigs wherever I could find them. I started writing hymns in seminary. I became a United Methodist pastor in California in 1987. I recently retired to Pinole after 33 years of service as a pastor. As a gift to myself, I got my band together on my deck to record a masked, socially distanced video that I hope will become a studio recording before too long. We recorded 12 songs in 3 hours. I will share 4 of them with you today. You can check out the rest of my music on my website, dandamonmusic.com, or on my YouTube channel, Dan Damon Music. I publish my hymns through Hope Publishing Company. I still have friends and family in the Black Hills and look forward to meeting you when I get the chance to travel. We'll start things off with an African American spiritual, This Joy I Have.
This joy I have, the world didn't give it to me. Yeah. This joy I have, the world didn't give it to me. Oh no, this joy I have, the world didn't give it to me. The world didn't give it, and the world won't take it away. This joy I have, the world didn't give it to me. This joy I have, the world didn't give it to me. You know, this joy I have, the world didn't give it to me. The world didn't give it, and the world won't take it away.
Our lives contain a mix of joy and sadness, exaltation and crucifixion, ups and downs. The spiritual we just heard is an expression of joy and hope. But spirituals also express the deep suffering of the slaves in the context of religion. Blues express that same suffering, but usually without the religious framework. I think of spirituals and blues as two sides of the same coin. Both speak truth about the performer's present condition. All of us have our ups and downs, and we need music to help us through. The next song I want to share is Trouble in Mind, an old blues first recorded in 1924 by Richard M. Jones and Thelma LaViesel.
Trouble in mind, I'm blue, but I won't be blue always, 'cause the sun's gonna shine in my back door someday. I got trouble in mind, I'm blue, but I won't be blue always, 'cause God's gonna make the sunshine in my back door someday. Trouble in mind, I'm blue, but I won't be blue always, 'cause the sun's gonna shine in my back door someday. I got trouble in mind, I'm blue, but I won't be blue always. someday.
I grew up on three-chord gospel songs from the 19th century. The best piano players in the church of my childhood added notes to what was in the hymnal. I grew up thinking it was normal to improvise. Our next song is Pass Me Not. The words are by Fanny J. Crosby, and the music is by William H. Doane. Pass me not, O gentle Savior, hear my humble cry. While on others thou art calling, do not pass me by. The last song I will share today is an old blues called You Got to Move. It has been recorded by the Reverend Gary Davis, Mississippi Fred McDowell, and the Rolling Stones. I sang it to my congregation via Zoom on my final Sunday as their pastor. Thanks for listening, and thank you very much for supporting music from home.
Gotta move.